How to create watercolor project with Cricut. Step 1. If you have an SVG file to use for the project, upload it to Cricut Design Space. Step 2. Once the design loads into the canvas, click the operation drop-down and select Pen. Step 3. Click Ungroup in the Layers panel, then select the first group from the Layers panel. Step 4. Click on the color box in the Operation section, click the drop-down and select M, marker, 1 mm, then select a color that says Watercolor. Step 5. Repeat these steps for the rest of the groups in the Layers panel. Step 6. Make sure to select the appropriate watercolor for each layer. Step 7. Once done, select all the layers, then click Attach. Step 8. Once done, click Make It, and make sure to leave the mirror turned off. Step 9. Grab the card, unfold it with the crease running horizontal and line up the card on the mat. Step 10. Smooth it down and check the card placement on the mat. Step 11. Now, go back to Design Space and center the design below the horizontal line of the card crease on the mat. Step 12. Use the placement of the card on the mat as reference. Step 13. Click Continue, click Browse All Materials, then search and select Heavy Watercolor Paper, and click Done. Step 14. Load the first watercolor marker into Clamp A as prompted in the Design Space screen. Step 15. Load the mat in and start drawing. Step 16. When it's time to change the watercolor, Cricut will pause and prompt you to swap them. Step 17. When Cricut is done drawing the watercolor design, unload the mat, flip the mat over, and gently roll back to release the card. Step 18. Unscrew the tip of the paintbrush from the water chamber, fill the chamber with water and screw the tip back. Step 19. Hold the brush over a paper towel and gently squeeze the water chamber until water starts coming through the bristles. Step 20. Now, begin painting by dragging the damp paintbrush along the edge of the color pen outline. Step 21. Use the brush to pull the color from the edges to the center of the letter. Step 22. Continue brushing along the inside lines, and if the brush seems dry, gently squeeze it to draw more water. Step 23. Continue painting all the other letters using the same method. Step 24. Squeeze and blot the color off the brush between painting each letter. Step 25. If any areas are too dark, apply a clean dry cotton swab in the area to absorb the color water off the paper. Step 26. Once you're satisfied, let it dry for about 30 minutes. Step 27. Now, your hand-painted watercolor Cricut project is ready. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com, or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.